From the moment you wake up, you begin making decisions. Some choices are easy, precious, innate. And then there are the others, the kind of decisions that take days and weeks, with disconnected data and conflicting opinions, with people's livelihoods and corporate reputations on the line. Damage from data errors can be swift and disastrous. You need to trust people and the data they provide down to their very core. You have to be right the first time and every time. Welcome to the modern age of accuracy and insight. Welcome to Workiva. As a leading provider of cloud-based reporting software, Workiva is changing how people all over the world work together to create and report data with control and accountability. We built Wdesk and Wdata so people can work faster, smarter, and better together. Thousands of organizations, including more than 75% of the Fortune 500, use Wdesk to collaborate in the same version, at the same time, with a recorded history of every change. Wdata helps people easily capture, prepare, and connect their data to Wdesk for reporting and analysis. Inside Wdesk, data is linked together in spreadsheets, documents, presentations, or reports. Our customers are able to build and shape data-linked reports for whatever they need, whenever they need it.
Data resides in many different systems, both structured and unstructured. Wdesk lets you bring that data into one environment with control and transparency and gives you confidence in your data.
Before Wdesk, we would spend an enormous amount of time ticking and tying numbers and worrying about accuracy and errors in our financial data. Wdesk enables teams to link narrative with numbers, which is critical when reporting to executives and boards. Desktop spreadsheets do not support this level of data integrity and accountability.
I know that our customers sleep better at night because they trust Wdesk.
We give people more time so they can focus on what matters most.
With Wdesk, you have more accurate data to make better decisions.
Our customers know that we are trusted partners who stay by their side every step of the way. Our customers love our software, but I gotta tell you, they really rave about our services.
As we built Wdesk, we also built a great company.
Our culture is based on understanding our customers' needs and really caring about their success.
Workiva puts employees first, listens to their voices, and responds to their needs. This extra level of care for our employees gets passed on to our customers every day. We give our employees the flexibility to achieve a genuine work-life balance, so they have time to give back to their communities.
We started out to improve the way people work. We ended up changing their lives.
When you work seamlessly in the cloud
with coworkers in the same document,
you save a lot of time.
When you trust your data from beginning to end,
you reduce risk.
When you have peace of mind,
you make better decisions.
When you use Wdesk,
you work smart.